What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ty Visuals back with another video today, and I know it's been a while since you seen me. Last week I didn't have 2 uploads, I only had 1. I had things going on, but this week we starting off strong. We coming back harder than ever. I got a video today and a video next week that's coming up. Today we got a video, we got a special video today. Today we basically gonna talk about tips on how to be a toy photographer, what I do, some toys I have to present, and we also got a mystery toy. We got a mystery toy right here. Okay, I'm gonna showcase this at the end of the video, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do it like an unbox opening type. I was gonna wait to do it at another video, maybe later this week, but this is a special, a very well-known, toy designer, so I'm gonna take pictures of this or at least show you how I set up my, pictures like that. So it's kind of like a part 2 of my first video. But yeah, I'm gonna show this at the end of the video. And guess what we got today, boys? Today we still got the camera with me. I had the camera for me for a while now. I've been testing with it, I've been taking pictures. So soon, I put this on my Instagram, so soon I will be making films, I will be making video art, stuff like that. All that will come in future videos. I'll have separate videos for those in a playlist, and I would definitely put them all on my Instagram. So link it in the description for that. But let me know what you want to see or any ideas, because I'm definitely coming with that soon. I got one of my my guys, I'm gonna collab with him. We're gonna do cool stuff, okay? So stay tuned for. Currently we are sitting at 63, okay? 63 subscribers, okay? So we're growing, okay? We're still at the 60 mark, but I want to get at 100 by the end of June. I want to get at 100 by July. During the summer I want to hit 100, okay? That would be a good start, create a fan base. So you know what I mean? Just, you can share for your boy, you can like for your boy, comment, show your friends, show your mom, show your dad, show your brother, show your sister, show anybody, just help me out. I'm gonna make good content for you guys. Stay tuned for that future content, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, unboxing later in the video, link in the description, and peace. So as of right now, I'm going to showcase you guys toy number 1. The number one rule, and doing for toy photography or any photography of that kind, find something cool to take a picture of. Find a dope toy, you know what I'm saying? The toy I just showed you, I just showcased you, it's already on my Instagram. If you're an OG follower, you definitely already seen it on my Instagram. But I'm not gonna take more pictures, or I might just to show you guys, but I'm just gonna show you how I set them up first. So and the second step, okay, the second step after you find, you set up your toy, you find out where you want it to be, you look through the lens, okay, you look through your phone, camera, whatever lens you have, and you look to see if that's the angle you want. The second step is actually getting good lighting, seeing if the sun is out, the sun's not out, then you gotta improvise, but that can easily be fixed by going into editing, stuff like that. But yeah, basically now you want to kind of set up the picture, actually take it, and then look through the picture, and if the lighting is good, if everything's good, because obviously you'll go back to editing and fixing it up, doing what you gotta do. But yeah, I would say now is the next step is actually taking the pictures, and once you take the pictures, then look over them. If they're not good, then keep moving. But now second step is taking the pictures. And so the third and final step I would recommend you is just getting different angles. Okay, so you saw in the previous clip, you know, I get down, I get dirty. You don't have to, but it depends on the picture. You know, if you want a good picture, if you go on my Instagram, link in the description. If you go on my Instagram, all those pictures that I have, you know, I didn't just take them like this. You know, I didn't just take them like that, stood up. I took them, I was on the ground, you know, I got dirty. I said in my other video, you know, when I was doing my other photo shoot, that I get dirty, you know, when I get on the ground. Don't wear nice clothes when you're going for a photo shoot. If you're taking the picture, of course. If you're getting the picture taken of, yes, wear nice stuff. But if you're the photographer, no, you don't want to wear nice clothes, especially if you're going to be down in the grass or in the dirt, you know. You want to be able to get those clean, good shots while being on the ground. So I would recommend that as well. Make sure that you take more than enough pictures. Don't take just 5 pictures and just be like, oh, okay, I'm a dip. No, don't do that. Take at least like, I'm gonna say if you're gonna go on Instagram and post 5 pictures, I say take 30 pictures. If you're gonna post 10 pictures, I say take 40, you know, multiply, okay? Because if you wanna post 5 pictures, you wanna be able to have multiple versions of that pictures that you can pick and choose, you can eliminate, process of elimination, you know, you wanna be able to do that. You know, even when I'm on my Instagram, when I'm taking pictures of myself, or I have someone taking pictures of me, I have them take at least 50 pictures so that I can pick out of those 50 which one is good, is lighting good, you know, I'm real serious about that stuff, so. And guys, those are mainly the 3 steps, you know. Find a good toy, you know. Find your angles, find your lighting. Second one, find the right picture. Find, like I said, going back to angles, going back to lighting, find the perfect spot. If you have good sunlight, go back in editing. Editing could be the 4th step. Go back in editing. If you check my other video, link will be in the description. Good apps to edit photos, you know, whatever you got to do to bring the contrast up, bring the brightness up, you know, stuff like that when it comes to editing. You know, if you need it in portrait, if you need the background blurred, you do all that type of stuff. But I have a video in there. I'm going to put the link in the description. You know, I posted that one, I think, last week or a couple weeks ago, so check that one out. But yeah, this one is basically about just, you know, how to make your pictures just look better. How do you, you know, if you want to be a tour photographer, you want to be a photographer in general. And I'm gonna definitely do a future video on like landscape, stuff like that. It's not just gonna be toys, it's not just gonna be, you know, objects, it's just gonna be landscape and stuff like that. So yeah, and then the 3rd step is just get different angles. You don't want to have the same angle, and you also want to take multiple pictures. You want to have multiple pictures of different angles. That's very important. So like I said, if you go on my Instagram, there will be more pictures of this toy on there. I will show you some I took today, and the dope ones are on my Instagram, so check those out. They're like somewhere near the bottom area. So if you stayed this far, yes, you will now see the mystery toy. So this is the mystery toy. I will be taking a picture of this later this week, okay? I will be taking dope pictures. The steps I showed you today, I will be using that later for the pictures that I'm gonna take this week. So stay tuned to that Instagram, link in the description. But this is by the creator named Quicks. I will put his link in the description for his Instagram. But basically, I was able to get this toy, you know, and I was able to get the opportunity to, you know, get this toy and show off my skills and, you know, create dope pictures for it. Now, I'm not gonna take a picture of this today. I'm not going to, but you see you have one here, you know. This is one of his toys that comes with the set, so that's one. And then you have the main toy right here. Now, I'm not gonna pull it out yet because I don't want to spoil all the angles. But I will spoil it in a picture. Like I said, I'm gonna post this week. Instagram, link in the description, because you definitely don't want to miss it out. So I'm very excited to take a picture of this. You got the sub toy. I'm gonna definitely have this in the picture with it. So make sure you go check this out, okay? So I told you I wasn't gonna, you know, leave you guys out. I'm gonna definitely show you, but I'm not gonna show you the final product until this week. So stay tuned for that. And we are almost on our way to 70 subs, okay? We need like 7 more to hit 70. So if you want to tell your friends, family, you know, get another account, subscribe to me. You know, like, it'll really help me create better content for you guys, because I know that's what y'all want. So, you know, we're on the road to 100. You know, mid-July, I want to hit 100. So, you know, we're on the road there. We're halfway now. We're a little bit more halfway now. So, you know, just keep liking, you know, keep supporting, and we're going to have more content in the future. There will be another video at the end of this week, so stay tuned. Peace.